everyone, and welcome back to another video brought to you by AngelFishFacts.com. As the title suggests, today we'll be briefly discussing why angelfish gasp for air. Before we get into this very important and complex topic, let's first take a look at this subject overview. Angelfish breathe fast when there isn't enough dissolved oxygen in the tank. The fish could also be ill and unable to process the oxygen that it does have. When angelfish are stressed, their immune system and gills quickly suffer. This makes it hard to breathe and results in gasping. If the tank's pH, nitrates, temperature, and other factors are off, the fish may begin suffocating. It should be noted that with respect to this title, gasping can be any sort of respiratory distress, hard breathing, heavy breathing, rapid breathing, etc. As one would obviously assume, this issue is indeed very serious. That's why it's critical that the root cause of your angelfish's suffering is established. The sooner it is outlined, the quicker it can potentially be rectified. For the purposes of this video, we'll focus on lack of proper oxygen, the severity of improper water conditions, and the importance of proper water testing. Before we begin, we'd like to take a moment to thank you, the viewer. None of this is possible without your interest, so we thank you for your time and we sincerely value your support. Now, let's get started. While it could seem unlikely that a fish could actually suffocate in water, it certainly can happen. Fish breathe dissolved oxygen. If your angelfish's aquarium doesn't have the proper movement needed to fill the environment with oxygen, the result can be deadly. Fish breathe by taking water in through the mouth. The water then passes through the gills, which are filled with blood vessels. The dissolved oxygen found in water enters the red blood cells, then the blood vessels. However, fish lack the function to take in pure oxygen and have it travel into the bloodstream the way humans do. This is why a fish is unable to breathe out of water. The best way to know if the source of your angelfish's distress is due to lack of oxygen is done by proper testing of oxygen levels via water testing measures. There are two primary ways to conduct water oxygen level test: by way of a chemical test kit or the use of a portable dissolved oxygen meter. Although the portable meter is a bit more pricey compared to that of the chemical test, the meter results can prove to be far more accurate. Research is key. Scope out all of your options and prices and purchase the right tool for your specific needs. As it relates to our core topic, angelfish can suffer significant respiratory distress the deeper oxygen levels fall. This survivability chart in respect to dissolved oxygen levels is quite helpful. In addition and or separate of oxygen concerns, your angelfish can encounter breathing issues if pH levels, nitrate levels, nitrite levels, and ammonia levels are not proper. The longer the levels continue to stay out of bounds relative to a proper balance, the deeper your fish's distress can become. Chemicals within the water can damage your pet's gills, thus making it increasingly difficult to breathe. Look for redness and or discoloration if you believe there is a problem. Testing your angelfish's water on a regular basis is key. For every symptom that can be on display, some fish do not show symptoms of an issue, and when they do, it can be too late. This is why proper testing is so critical. And on that note, that will close things out for the video portion of our information, but we still have so much more waiting for you. We invite you to head on over to AngelFishFacts.com at the conclusion of this video. There you will find a full-length and highly detailed article showcasing virtually every aspect of this specific subject matter. We've left no stone unturned. If you have been personally impacted by this very serious issue, then we encourage you to check out the article in question. Our expert writers have prepared a brilliant piece that we think you'll find quite beneficial. Are you currently watching us off-site? If so, please click the initial link in the description box below. Said link will take you to all of this important information. And until our paths cross again, and I certainly hope they do, we'd like to thank you once again for joining us today. Please have a wonderful day. All the best to you and yours, and we will talk to you later.